Say hello to the Queen of the Skies. Yes, this is the first ever Boeing 747-100. As you can see here, going around, wow. What a feeling this is to be inside seeing the first ever Boeing 747 produced in Everett, Washington in 1969. Man. Here are the customers. We got Iberia, Sabina, I don't know what that logo is, Air Canada, El Al, BI, Scandinavian, Qantas. Qantas is like a big airline for 747s. Sad that they retired. Delta, Eastern. Some of these airlines I don't even know, but I do know some. Like I think that Sun thing is Sun Express, Aer Lingus, United, Northwest, American Airlines, Iran Air, BOC, British Overseas Company, TWA, JL, Pan Am, which is the launch customer of the Boeing 747. Let me just focus. Just focus. Hold on. Alright, so we got BOAC, Iran Air, TWA, American, Northwest, United, Pan Am, JL, I think I said Pan Am, I'm not sure. But yeah, we also got Lufthansa, TWA, and JAL. And this aircraft is named the City of Everett. Once again, this is the first ever Boeing 747-100. This is a 100 variant. So here are the engines. These are Pratt & Whitney engines right there. Look at the nice metallic. Wow. Look at that. So this is of course, it is a quad plane, and here is the registration right there, November 747. Is that us 0? I think. Yeah, November 7470. I think that's like the name of this airplane right there. And man, look how huge that tail is! Wow. So as I search up on my phone right here about this particular registration, November 747. So, here we go. Hang on guys, I'm trying to look for what Air Fleets about this aircraft. So here we have some information from Air Fleets. So this aircraft right here, of course it sits here at the Museum of Flight. These engines right here, the Pratt & Whitney's, these are Pratt & Whitney JTD-7A engines. And yeah, so of course, let's head inside. And the delivery date for this aircraft is February 9th, which had its first flight in 1969. So, with that being said, let's head into the Queen itself. So let's go up on these stairs. Alright, and here we go, folks. Man, now that is spacious right there. So here's hang on, let me just change the ISO. So here's the original design of the 747. You see right there. So yeah, this is one of their concept designs. 747 Romeo Alpha 001. Here's some information right there. In 1968, the city of Everett, the first 747 ushered in the era of the jumbo jet, giants of the sky. The Boeing Company's 747 changed the face of commercial flight. Wow. This is a beautiful plane. So here's some pictures of the upper deck lounge, which leads all the way up there. They did have this designs on their older 747s, like the 747-100 or 200. Or 300. Here's the bottom side. I think this is where the baggage. Oh, this is the avionics bay. So you can actually go inside here and look at all the avionics right there. Of course, the Queen of the Skies is the 747's nickname. Here are the windows. Wow. Look at that. Here are some more shots right here. A video for you guys. And this is where they do all like the flight testing. Right here. And here's Joseph F. Sutter, the father of the 747. The man who built, who made the 747, of course. Here's some information right there. Yeah. And the workers who built the 747 are known as the Incredibles. Here's some more pictures of like, right there. It's kind of like dark. But we got like the first 747, of course. We got Pan Am 74. Man. And look how big the 747 is. Hang on, let me clear. Look how big the 747 is compared to a 707. Man, that it's huge. So going around, some economy seats, some water tanks right there. Some more stuff right here. Wow. Honestly, I'm quite surprised they like actually put a 747 inside this tent. And here's like the wing itself, right there. Let me just see. There it is, the wing. But yeah, this is a very old plane. This is one. I don't know how I pronounce his last name, but Trip, I think, president of Pan Am. This is interesting. I didn't know the city of Everett was actually a refuel tank. And here is like here's the city of Everett testing the new 777 engine. I think these are like Pratt and Whitney 4000 engines, I believe. I'll give you guys like a wing shot right here. And some more tours inside the cabin. Like I said, this is a test plane, so you can see the reason why these water tanks are here. It's to test the weight of the aircraft. Here. So these are called ballast barrels. And yeah, the water tanks simulate passenger and cargo weight during flight testing. Water can be moved throughout the barrels using connected tubes to test center of gravity configurations while in flight. So here's like the top view of the aircraft. Here's some like the aircraft wiring. And here's like the description of like the 777 engine tests. So yeah, there's some like cool artwork right there. Some nice stuff right there as well. I wish I can go up in the upper deck, but apparently I can't. No entry. I would also love to see like the actual cabin, it's like the cockpit of the 747 itself. But I've seen like pictures already, so. And here is like the front side of the aircraft, basically the nose area of the aircraft. I would love to, honestly, I would love to be in like the actual, be seated in the nose of a 747, but I don't think that's gonna happen since I'm an economy class passenger. And here's a little bit of description of this 747 concept. You can pause and read whatever you wish. Alright, so yeah guys, this is basically the tour of the Boeing 747 November 7470 Romeo Alpha 001. So overall, this is amazing. Being inside of the first ever Boeing 747 ever produced, it feels amazing. So let's exit out the aircraft and conclude this video from here. There's the Pratt & Whitney engines, and there's that iconic hump. Very beautiful. So yeah, that's it for the 747 tour.